I've been paid out over $15,000 from HolaPrime. Now, this is a prop firm maybe you haven't heard of. They are quite underrated, I'll tell you that. And $15,000 I've been paid out, and my recent payout right here, you can see $5,500. I was paid out in less than 6 minutes. So I submitted my payout literally 3 days ago, and within 6 minutes I got an email saying my payout's been approved. That, like, I was so shocked, like, what, already, like, that quick? Yeah, that quick. And this, a lot of prop firms, what they tend to do is they tend to exaggerate their numbers. Oh, we're the fastest paying prop firm. It's like, yeah, are you? We don't know, whatever. But a company, maybe you haven't heard of them, Deloitte, it's a regulatory authority or whatever, big people. They audited HolaPrime. They had all of the data from HolaPrime and literally audited them, and it showed that HolaPrime has paid out 98% of their traders in less than 1 hour. That's proven, not claims, proven. So that's something HolaPrime has going for them. They have all of this credentials behind them that, look, we do pay out, and we pay out extremely quickly. And in terms of how many payouts they've processed, it's over $7 million. So over $7 million in payouts has been processed in less than 1 hour, pretty much. And that's honestly crazy to even think about, that a firm that you haven't even heard of is paying out in less than 1 hour and has paid out over $7 million. So yeah, $15,000 have been paid out by them, but there's also more that they offer, and hopefully I aim to get to that stage, and that is Prime Circle. Now, what is Prime Circle? Prime Circle is basically their way of moving you to a live account. A lot of people are scared of being moved to live. No, don't be. If you have the skill, you can definitely scale your money, and you can scale up to $2 million in capital, and you can get extra 20% off. You can get 5% extra bonus on your payouts. If you're a Prime Circle member, you get like a black card as well. It's pretty cool. And I think like your payouts go onto that black card, and you just spend through that black card. It's honestly, it's really cool. I love the vibe that they have, even just the website. It's really, really cool. And if you go down, there I am, you can see ZamCo's there. Yeah, so this is Prime, and if we just have a look at this, look, you get up to two free resets within 6 months. You get onto the Wall of Fame. It's cool being a Prime Circle member. It's like an inner circle. You got like black cards. It's like really like discreet and cool. It's really nice, and I hope to get to that one day. So yeah, that's Prime Circle. You get to move to live capital, and you can scale up to like $2 million in funding. Now imagine having $2 million and getting 1% profit. That's like $20,000 just like that. And one thing is, when it comes to live capital, you never have to worry about prop firms not paying you out. Now, of course, with Prime Circle, you're trading live capital. So when you make money, the prop firm makes money. Now, typically with other prop firms, when you're trading with prop firms, of course, when you get a payout, you're not actually making them money. You're taking money away from them in a way. But this kind of eliminates that. They're showing you, look, you trade good, we can, you can have like 3 to 5 payouts, and then they'll offer you the Prime Circle membership. So if you can have like 3 to 5 consecutive payouts, I'm not sure what the number is, on that account, you can be moved to Prime, and then you can actually trade live capital. So they have a way of verifying, all right, can you even get good payouts and a consistent amount? Once you do, then you move to live, and then every time you make money, they make money. They're more than happy to pay you out. So people forget this when they're going into live accounts. It's you're scaling with the prop firm. The prop firm is winning, and you're winning at the same time. It's a win-win situation. They give you capital to trade with. They move you to live, but they also give you access to larger live capital. If you had put money in that broker, you would start off quite small starting out, and you would have to build that amount, but not with Prime. Prime Circle, you can instantly be moved to live capital and just start off much bigger. You can start off maybe with $20,000 or $50,000, and to think that that's live real capital, you can. It's the scalability potential is astronomical. You can go up to $2 million. So that's Prime Circle in a nutshell. It's a cool feature that they have, and I want to see a lot of different other different prop firms implementing things like this, because then that puts credibility behind them. Look, we have capital, we just want to prove that you are a good trader, and we're more than happy to give you that capital to trade with. That's basically what it is in a nutshell. And if prop firms aren't doing that, then you should question whether or not they actually have capital to pay you out with. So there we go. That's HolaPrime Circle in a nutshell, and it gives you that extra level of credibility. And then on top of that, we have FIFA World Cup. Now, what HolaPrime did was really cool. I've never seen any other prop firm doing this, and they flew out one of the winners, him and his wife, to the FIFA final World Cup in 2026, literally like a month or two ago, whatever. And they literally flew them out, paid for a hotel, accommodation, all of that. I've never seen that. Like, here's a little video.
You won the competition. Congratulations again. I'm glad that I did. And yeah, now the rest of history. So
have you ever seen a prop firm do that? Have you ever seen a prop firm literally fly out a winner to the FIFA World Cup finals and, you know, just be like, yeah, it's all on us, don't worry about the hotel, don't worry about the plane, you know, we'll take care of it. The prop firms don't do that. So it's a nice little twist. It's nice to see that, you know, they're trying to do extra stuff that other prop firms won't do because they don't want to show themselves as much, or they don't want to spend any money on advertising or anything like that. So it's cool that HolaPrime is doing things like that, and hopefully they'll be doing more things like that, which would be really cool. And hopefully, you know, you can win an account with them, win an account, or even win the opportunity to do cool stuff like that. And yeah, if you want to have a look at on HolaPrime's website right here, you go onto their main website, you go down, and you can see Forex and futures. They offer both. A lot of people don't realize this, they also offer futures. Now, I need to go onto their futures as well, I need to go onto that. But right now, it's August, month isn't that great, you know, price action isn't that great, so I'm kind of, you know, keeping it a bit slow at the moment. But yeah, on Forex, you got one step, you got two step, you got two step pro, you got direct, instant funding, you got all the way up to 300k in funding that are in a single account. It's kind of crazy. And you got MT4, MT5, TradeLocker, DX, CTrader, Match Trader, and then on futures you also have Ninja Trader, TradeVate, and Wealth Charts. Wealth Charts is a cool one. It looks like really intimidating for me personally, but that's like, you know, real high level stuff right there. So you got one step prime, you got direct, instant funded flipping futures accounts as well. You got 95% monthly profit splits. They offer a lot, and it's nice to see that they have a lot of different things where, you know, if you're suited for one thing, if you're not suited for one thing, you have lots of options. It's nice to see that. And you can see over here there's a discount code that says welcome 20. You don't want to use that. You want to use code ZAMCO, just to, you know, support the channel, but you get the exact same discount. You get 20% off using code ZAMCO, so you might as well. So yeah, that is HolaPrime in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me actually go to this screen. I like this screen because I'm there. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah, use code ZAMCO. The link in the description will take you to the HolaPrime website. If you have any questions, of course, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and take care. I'll see you soon.